Welcome to your service tip for February. I'm Pablo, the service director, and this is Mike, salesman extraordinaire. Well, Mike, don't you think it's a little chilly out? We should have a way to start these cars.
Well, the cool thing on the CX-30 is we actually have an app now that is compatible with all of our vehicles, but on the CX-30 you actually get the Mazda Connect. So on the Mazda Connect, you can actually go into your My Mazda app and hold the start button, and it'll automatically start your vehicle for you. You can also go into this app and look at the status of your vehicle. Make sure you have enough fuel to start it in the morning, and then check the mileage and all of your air pressures in your tires, especially when it's getting cold.
And then do know, for those of you who do not have a late model Mazda, we can also accommodate your needs in this nice Wisconsin cold weather. We have aftermarket remote starts available on a service special for February and March for $495.95, and that takes us about 2 to 3 hours to install, and we can do this pretty much on any of your Mazdas. So as always, for your Mazda service needs, Mike and Pablo are ready to take care of you. Thank you, you guys.